Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Sony Xperia V. Let's have a look. Sony took advantage of the past MWC to renew its catalog of mobile phones with 3 new models with ultra-wide screen 21.9 format. On the one hand, within the high range the Xperia 1 and on the other two mid-range terminals the Xperia 10 and the Xperia 10 Plus. Now that IFA 2019 is being held, the company has surprised us again with another launch contrary to what was expected. It is not the Xperia 20 that was leaked long ago, but a new high-end model called Xperia V. Its specification and design as expected coincide with that Sony phone that we saw a few days ago and that aimed to be the Xperia 2. As a brand, it carries on board the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with integrated X24 LTE modem and gigabit LTE connectivity. And speaking of connectivity, it has Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, dual SIM and USB-C. The most important features of the Xperia 5 are completed with Android 9 Pie as an operating system and a 3140 mAh battery with fast charging. All this in a body that boasts the IP65/IP68 certification of resistance to dust and water. The Sony Xperia will be available in 4 different colors: blue, red, black and grey, and in a single configuration with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card up to 512 GB. It can be booked from next week along with the Wi-Fi-1000X M3 wireless headphone, but will go on sale in October. Its launch price has not yet been confirmed. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding upcoming Sony Xperia 5. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. And stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.